From ancient times, the Igbo people upheld patience as the bedrock of marriage. Long before modern wedding rings and ceremonies, some Igbo communities had a unique tradition for preparing young men for this lifelong commitment, which readied men for marriage. When a young man reached the age of marriage, he wouldn't just pick a bride. First, he would inform his kinsmen, a crucial first step. Then came the test. He was to be given a sheep, not just any animal, but a creature known for its foolishness and stubbornness. For 1 or 2 years, the man would raise this sheep, feed it, care for it, endure its antics. It was more than livestock, it was a mirror. At the end of the given time, he would return the sheep to his people. If they saw that he had raised it with patience, wisdom, and care, he would earn not just their approval, but also their support to start a family. Through the stubborn steps of a sheep, a man learned the quiet strength of patience and wisdom for handling life situations, the kind every husband needs.